everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to log out of Spendee application. If you want to sign out or log out of Spendee, then the process is quite easy, so let's jump into the video right away. First of all, launch Open Spendee application from your app drawer. If you're already logged into your account and you'd like to log out of it, simply go ahead and tap on the More button at the bottom right-hand corner. From the More menu, scroll all the way down and tap Log Out. You will then be redirected in the main interface for Spendee app. Remember that you will need to make sure you know your email address and password if you've previously logged in with email. Before logging out of your account, make sure you remember your credentials. That is how you can easily log out of your Spendee application in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.